Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove fingerprint from your Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to remove your fingerprints, so let's see how you can do that. You have to simply go ahead to your settings. Now once you're in settings, just scroll down and you must see security and privacy. Click on it and then click on lock screen, and here you have to enter your lock screen password. Once you have done, you must see your fingerprint here. Click on it, and here you'll see your fingerprint. Click on your fingerprint you want to remove. I have a single fingerprint. I'm going to click on it, and here you must see the edit or remove option. You have to click on remove and then click on remove to confirm it. Once you have done, your fingerprint has now successfully removed. Now you can add anyone, or if you want to, or your older fingerprint had been removed. So in this way, you can easily remove your fingerprints from your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.